Hey sis, have you ever scrolled through your phone looking at old pictures and suddenly you remember a moment that you forgot? Now, I did this the other day and let me tell you, it blessed me. It made me realize that even in the chaos of life, there were so many beautiful, joyful, and unexpected moments in 2024 that deserved to be celebrated. So today, I want you to do the same. Grab your phone, sis, scroll through your photos, and let's talk about the highlights of your life. Girl, go ahead and get that. Now, we're in week one of Rebuild You audit, and we've taken some intentional time around here at All Things Dr. G to reflect, realign, and rebuild our lives. And we're starting with a simple but power packed question. Ooh, excuse me. What were the highlights of 2024 for you? But before we get into this thing, look at the curls, y'all. It's day 7, and the curls are still curling. More on that in another video. But anywho, now I did this exercise myself where I really like sat down, pulled out photos, and wow, I mean, there was moments that I had forgotten about. There were moments that made me smile, and all of these things started popping up when I opened my phone app. I looked at my photos and I went month by month. Man, it was a milestone that one of my children hit. My baby, my youngest, got baptized. It was when I received notification that I would be featured on a local magazine as a top doc. Man, I'm telling you, even those small wins, like the small things, consistency in working out. Well, I shouldn't even say that's small, that's big, but it really helped me to go month by month and celebrate 2024, reflect, and it made me smile. So, girl, go ahead and get the phone out, open up your photos app, and before you even say, gee, girl, nothing really happened this year, hmm, just pause for a moment. You might be surprised by what you find when you take a moment to look back. Now, here's how we're going to do this thing together. First, again, grab your phone. Yes, right now, and I'll wait. And while you're doing that, I'm going to go ahead and open my phone to my notes section because as I went through each month, I took notes of the things that I wanted to remember and those things that I needed to forever celebrate. Step 2, I want you to open your photo gallery and scroll back to January 2024. Slowly move forward and just look. What stands out to you? What made you smile? What moments were unexpectedly beautiful? Whew. Let me just pause right there. I want to do this while we're on the phone. When I watched a recent Mel Robbins video and I did this, it literally blew my mind. And so I just want to take a moment while you're getting your stuff together, girl, and just reflect one more again on how beautiful this activity was for me. All right. So I have my photo album pulled up from 2024 of last year. And one of the moments that just really blew my mind is when I was contacted by a local magazine to be featured with other local authors. It was absolutely amazing because I had written this book for children called I Am Cool. And the whole point of I Am Cool is for kids to celebrate who they are and know that they are cool just the way they are. And I was really excited because this thing happened all out of the blue. Well, we all know that nothing just happens. I look at this as a God wink. I look at this as God smiling down on me saying, Gretchen, I see you. And let's let the world know about I Am Cool in this labor of love that you've done. And so, girl, now I need you to do the same. And as you're scrolling, all the way back to January 2024. Even if you need to pause this video, I would like for you to write down, this is step 3, write down at least 3 to 5 highlights, big or small. Was it a trip? Was it a breakthrough? A friendship that deepened? A lesson learned the hard way, but now looking back, you see the growth and you can celebrate that? And then here's step 4. I want you to pause and celebrate. And then thank God for those moments. Thank Him for those moments. Now, sis, I want to hear from you. Drop one highlight from your 2024 in the comments below, and I will be reading them. I promise I will respond and be celebrating with you. And also be sure to share this with a friend who needs a reminder that sometimes we forget just how much we've already been blessed. When I look back in my album, and I want to share another moment from 2024, January. Like, honey, y'all, this is about to be deep. It is going to take you a while to get through your photo album, especially if you're anything like me. I call myself the family historian. But in January of 2024, my youngest son accepted Jesus as his personal Lord and Savior, and he was baptized. Y'all, that really blessed me. And let me tell you why it blessed me. I was wearing a mask when this happened. And the reason why I was wearing a mask, I'm a pediatrician if you're new to my channel. I was in clinic feeling all good, and then around noon, I felt horrible. I had fever, chills, body aches, all the things. And then I was diagnosed with flu. I think it was flu type A. Well, it don't matter what type it was. It was the flu. Do you hear me? And I felt horrible. I immediately took medication for it. And I just said to myself, oh, no, 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 no. Devil, you a liar. I am not missing my son's baptism. And so as I look back at 2024, I see where, ooh, 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 ooh. I took a picture with my son and I was wearing a mask. Man, it really blessed me. And I'm telling you, this thing is going to bless you as well. It really is. Now, sis, I got to leave you with this thought. Reflection isn't about living in the past, it is about recognizing God's hand in your story. So don't get it twisted. I don't want you to live in the past. I want you to see how the hand of the Lord has been with you and how you can celebrate the wins and even the losses, knowing that it's made you the person you are today. So today, take that moment, look back, celebrate, and let it fuel you for what's ahead. Now, if you want to go deeper in this 7-week Rebuild You journey, what I want you to do is click the link in the description and join us in the Rebuild You email list. So basically, you're going to get all this stuff sent to you once a week. Honey, and one thing I will not do is be a bugaboo in your email. But when you subscribe to the email list, you're going to get every step of this journey straight to your inbox. So let's reflect, let's realign, and let's rebuild together. Now, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because next week we're going deeper. We're talking about the hardest moments of 2024. But, sis, I promise you, even in the lows, there will be something powerful for you to uncover. Now, until next time, stay celebrated, stay encouraged, and keep rebuilding. And remember, God celebrates you. I celebrate you. And if you don't celebrate you, I hope this channel helps you to celebrate all things you moving forward. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.